Welcome to DX1PRS Net Call. Please support DX1PRS Evening Net Call. 145.340 MHz. Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Monday and Tuesday. NCS, 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, Ruth Boy. Wednesday and Saturday. NCS, Delta Uniform 1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, Caesar. Thursday and Friday. NCS, 4 Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, Nelson. Thank you very much for supporting DX1PRS. God bless. 73.
CQ break. In a minute, we are about to begin the evening net of DX1PRS. All stations, please stand by. CQ break. It's 8 o'clock in the evening. Good evening, fellow hams. Mayong gabi, Pilipinas. It is the 4th day of January 2021, and it's a Monday. Welcome to the evening net of Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated, or DX1PRS. The Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated is an amateur group registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission, affiliated with the Philippine Amateur Radio Association, and duly licensed and accredited by the National Telecommunications Commission. DX1PRS conducts its evening net from Monday to Saturday, 8 in the evening. Your net control for tonight is 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy. I am transmitting from Balibago, Santa Rosa, Laguna, and I am working with the Yaesu FT2980 with a power output of 80 watts hooked up to Comet GP-1 Omni antenna 60 feet from the ground. To all stations, please zero-bit your transceivers to frequency 145.340 MHz for easy and clear reception. We shall start the net by calling for any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which the group can be of assistance. Please call DX1PRS and all stations will be standing by. Second call for any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which the group can be of assistance. Please call DX1PRS and all stations will be standing by. In a relay for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo for DX1PRS, standing by. Any announcement from the club president, vice president, or any club officers, chairman of any committee from the NTC or PARA, or from other local amateur clubs, please call in now. DX1PRS will be listening. Second call for any announcement from the club president, vice president, or any club officers, chairman of any committee from the NTC or PARA, or from other local amateur clubs, please call in now. DX1PRS will be listening. Nothing heard. Since this is a supervised net, therefore all calls must pass through the net control. All stations are requested to break in with your complete call sign, which include the prefix, district number, and the suffix. Please be advised that by joining this net call, you declare under any circumstances that you are using your registered NTC-issued call sign as prescribed by law. However, those who do not have yet the registered NTC call sign, we welcome and encourage you to acquire the same in order to enjoy the full privilege of using the amateur radio frequencies as specified in the license. For more information and details regarding amateur radio licensing, you may visit website of Philippine Amateur Radio Association at www.para.org.ph. We shall now begin the roll call proper by calling on any station, be portable, mobile, or base, who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Golf 1. Papa Uniform Romeo for the X1 PRS will be listening.
Portal 1, Lima Charlie Uniform.
One more time po.
Portal 1, Lima Charlie Uniform.
Delta Victory 1, Sierra Victor Sierra.
Copy to station Portal 1, Lima Charlie Uniform, DV1 Sierra Victor Sierra. Pakabilib po yung medyo malayong station. One more time.
D1 Alpha Zulu Sierra.
Copy D1 Alpha Zulu Sierra. One more time yung isa pa. Any more station?
H1 Delta Bravo Sierra for the net.
Copy for H1 Delta Bravo Sierra. Tito Fred, naka-portable ka ba?
Naka-base ako, base. Over.
Okay, please stand by. Any more stations?
Delta Yankee 1, Mike Alpha Romeo.
Mike Alpha Romeo, please stand by. Any more stations?
Delta Yankee Mike Oscar. Happy New Year.
Portal 1 Yankee Mike Oscar, copy. Please stand by. Any more stations? Okay, nothing heard. Let's start or begin with calling the station of Portal 1, Lima Charlie Uniform from the group and one of the net control stations. Tito Nelson, good evening. Welcome to our group net.
Magandang gabi, Tito Rootboy, for Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo. Portal 1, Lima Charlie Uniform, supporting Evening Net. At pasabay natin si Paul Golf 1, Tango Lima Delta, si Maverick, ang may-ari ng gawaan ng antena. Pasabay na si Tito at nag-check-in sa live. Magandang gabi dyan, supporting the net, 73.
73, keep safe and mabuhay. Tito Nelson, thank you for always supporting our group net. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, together with 4 Golf 1 Tango Lima Delta Marby Mac of Cavite City, are now loud and clear. Next station, DV1 Sierra Victor Sierra, Kuyang Jun, and the head of, from the group, the head of Technical Affairs Committee. Welcome to our group net.
Yeah, good evening, Rude Boy. Yun. D1 POR. DV1 Sierra Victor Sierra, supporting the net of our group, the X1 PRS. My 73, no more traffic. Good evening.
73, keep safe and mabuhay. Kuyang Jun, thank you for always supporting our group net. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DV1 Sierra Victor Sierra, is now locked and clear. Next station, DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra. Tito Boy, magandang gabi. Halina sa ugnayan ng DX1 Perez.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo at sa lahat. Nagpapatalalam, bumabati, nagtiklis-tiklis na 73 sa inyo at sa lahat. No other traffic, correct, Colonel. Salamat po.
73, manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay at maraming salamat Tito Boy sa tiklis-tiklis na pagbati at pag-support, palaging pagsuporta sa ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Naway masumpungan po kayo muli bukas ang inyong himpilan D1 Alpha Zulu Sierra ay nakatala na po at libre na. Next station, Portal 1 Delta Bravo Sierra from the group, Tito Fred. Good evening, welcome to our GoofNet.
Magandang gabi, Ruth Boy, at sa lahat na nakamonitor, and Happy New Year for S1 Delta Bravo Sierra, supporting PRS and joining the evening net from the group. My handle is Fred, transmitting from Alabang Muntinlupa, no traffic 73, and mabuhay, and Happy New Year to everybody. Over.
73, keep safe and Happy New Year likewise, Tito Fred. Thank you for always supporting our GoofNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Portal 1 Delta Bravo Sierra, is now logged and clear. Next station, Mike Alpha Romeo. Tito Mark, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PRSnet.
Good evening, Control. Good evening, all station. Delta Yankee 1, Mike Alpha Romeo, supporting the net of DX1 PRS. No more traffic, 73 in mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Mar. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRSnet. Your station, Mike Alpha Romeo, is now locked and clear.
For Hotel 1, Delta Tango Golf.
Copy, Portal 1 Delta Tango Golf. Please stand by. Any more stations?
DY1 LEE.
Copy, Lima Eco Eco. Please stand by. Any more stations? Okay, let's call on the station of 4 Hotel 1 Yankee Mike Oscar. Tito Gilbert, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PRSnet.
Likewise, Tito Football, Tito Nelson, Tito Cesar. Magandang gabi. DX1 PRS. Pero Hotel 1 Yankee Mike Oscar. Papatala po. From transmitting Calamba, Laguna, and this one, Papa, mabuhay 73, belated Happy New Year.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Gilbert. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Portal 1 Yankee Mike Oscar, is now locked and clear. Next station, for Hotel 1 Delta Tango Golf, Tito Jomar. Good evening, welcome to DX1 PRSnet. Tito Jomar, paki-update na lang yung club natin, ang club affiliation.
Good evening, Control. Good evening sa lahat. For Hotel 1, Delta Tango Golf, joining the evening net. Ayun, Tito, wala po pong club affiliation.
Go ahead, Tito Jomar.
Good evening, Control. Good evening sa lahat. For Hotel 1, Delta Tango Golf, joining the evening net, 73. At likewise, wala pa po akong club affiliation.
Okay, copy that. 73, keep safe and mabay, Tito Jomar. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Portal 1 Delta Tango Golf, is now locked and clear. Next station, Lima Eco Eco. Kuya Lee, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PRSnet.
Good evening for G1PUR, your 59 plus 60 here sa location ko, No Valley, supporting the evening's net of DX1 PRS. So please join my station, DY1 LEE, to your log this evening. Happy New Year, QRU 73, God bless.
73, likewise, God bless, and Happy New Year. Kuya Lee, thank you for always supporting DX1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station is now locked and clear. Sikinet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station. For Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, my name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Standing by.
41 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot.
DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot.
Copy to station for Golf 1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot. Please stand by. Any more stations? Copy DU1 Victor Lima Zulu Pangalos B. Please stand by. Any more? Delta Victor 3 Romeo Whiskey. Please stand by. Any more?
DW1BXR.
DW1 Victor X-Ray Romeo. Please stand by. Any more?
DV1 Oscar Mike Victor.
DB1 Oscar Mike Victory. Please stand by. Any more? Okay, next station for Golf 1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot. Tita Amor, one of the, our corporate secretary from the group. Good evening. Welcome to our group net.
Good evening, Root Boy, and good evening to all the stations. This is for D1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, checking in, supporting our group net. Number traffic 73 and mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay. Tita Amor, thank you for always supporting our group net. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for G1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot is now locked and clear. Indulgence, Tito Jun, unahin mo natin yung YL. DU1 Victor Lima Zulu Pangalusbi. Good evening, welcome to DX1 Persnet. Maayong gabi. Keep safe and mabay. Halong-halong din, Pangalusbi. Thank you for always supporting DX1 Persnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1 Victor Lima Zulu, is now locked and clear.
DU1 Mobile.
DU1 Victor Bravo Yankee on mobile. Indulgence with the group. Pulutin mo natin yung mobile. DU1 Victor Bravo Yankee on mobile. Tito Richie, good evening. Welcome to DX1 Persnet. Copy, nasa Cabuyano, galing San Pascual, Batangas. 73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Richie. Thank you for always supporting DX1 Persnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1 Victor Bravo Yankee on mobile, is now locked and clear. Okay, back to the list. DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot from the group and one of the net control stations. Tito Jun, good evening. Welcome to DX1 Persnet. Nabulol na.
Copy for G1 Papa Uniform Romeo. Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi rin sa lahat ng stasyon na Kantabay. At ingat-ingat sa mga nakamobil. Another traffic, just supporting our group's net. From Calamba City, 73. God bless. Mabuhay.
June, thank you for always supporting our group net. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, is now locked and clear. Pakibalik po yung nasabayan ko.
Hotel 1, Yankee, Quebec Delta, for the net.
Okay, copy DW1 Sira Papa. Yung isa pa?
DW1 Zulu Papa Lima.
Hotel 1, Yankee, Quebec Delta, for the net.
Copy, DW1 Zulu Papa Lima, D1 Whiskey India Echo. Please stand by. Okay, next station, DB3 Radio Whiskey, Tito Roland ng May Kawayan. Good evening, welcome to DX1 Persnet.
Portal 1, Yankee, Quebec Delta, coordinate.
Copy Portal 1, Yankee, Quebec Delta, please stand by. Acknowledge the station of Tito Raulin 73. Keep safe and mabuhay. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DB3 Radio Whiskey, is now logged and clear. Likewise here, 3x3 Santa Rosa, Laguna. Next station, DB1 Oscar Mike Victor Tito Rolly. Good evening. Welcome to Dex1 PRSnet.
Yeah, 4G1 PUR, DB1 OMV. Hi, good evening, Root Boy. Good evening, DX1 PRS. Good evening, fellow hams. Just checking in, no traffic 73 and mabuhay.
Tito Rolly, update lang, DX1 CW pa rin ang club.
QSL, original. Wala pang wala pang iba. Over.
Copy that, 73. Keep safe and mabuhay. Tito Rolly, thank you for always supporting Dex1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DB1 Oscar Mike Victor, is now locked and clear.
4 Golf 1, Lima Delta Eco.
Copy 4 Golf 1 Lima Delta Echo Kachari, please stand by. Any more?
4G1 Mike Victor Lima.
4G1 Mike Victor Lima, please stand by. Okay, next station, for DW1 Sierra Papa Tito Dan. Good evening, welcome to Dex1 PRSnet.
Likewise, good evening, PRS. Good evening, Laguna. Good evening all around. Supporting DivingNet, another topic. Here you, may 73, Happy Three Kings.
Tito Dan, update lang yung club natin, club affiliation.
Kiwakwak pa rin, DX1 Delta Alpha Charlie, DAC.
Thank you, Tito Dan, for that. Copy Delta Alpha Charlie. Okay, 73, keep safe and mabuhay and Happy New Year. Tito Dan, thank you for always supporting Dex1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DW1 Sierra Papa, is now locked and clear. Okay, copy 2 stations, Portal 1 Bravo Delta Golf and D1 Kilo India Yankee, please stand by. Pakibalik po yung medyo mahina sa akin, parang for Hotel 1 ba siya? Pakibalik po.
Hotel 1, Yankee, Quebec Delta.
Is that for Hotel 1, ano ba yan? For Hotel, any relay?
Yankee Quebec Delta.
Copy na si Tito Jason, please stand by. Copy na yan, nakalag na. Yung isa. Okay, copy that. Indulgence with the group. Medyo mahina siya sa akin. Pulutin ko muna. For Golf 1, Echo Hotel, November, Tito Ermi. Good evening. Welcome to Dex1 PRSnet.
For Hotel 1, Echo Zulu Foxtrot.
Copy for Hotel 1, Echo Zulu Foxtrot. Please stand by. Acknowledge the station for Golf 1, Echo Hotel, November, Tito Ermi. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station is now logged and clear.
Footboy, palag na rin daw si Nick, November Tango. Nagkakondak ng network.
Okay, copy dati Tito Jun. Acknowledge the station of 4 Golf 1, November Tango. One of the NCS of DX1 Alpha Romeo Tango. Your station is now logged and clear. Thank you for that relay, Tito Jun. Okay, let's go back to the list. The next station, the W1 Zulu Papa Lima, Tito Willie. Good evening. Welcome to DX1 PRSnet.
Good evening, Root Boy. Joining the evening at 7-3, mabuhay. Maraming salamat.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Willie. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DW1 Zulu Papa Lima, is now logged and clear. Next station, DU1 Whiskey India Echo. Tito Ed, good evening. Welcome to the X1 PRSnet. 73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Ed. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1 Whiskey India Echo, is now logged and clear. Next station, Portal 1 Yankee Quebec Delta. Jason, good evening. Welcome to the X1 PRSnet.
Po, Tito Roboy, magandang gabi po dyan sa inyo. Portal 1 Yankee Quebec Delta, joining the evening net ko ng DX1 PRSnet 73. Mabuhay po. Salamat po.
For India 1, Lima Charlie Foxtrot.
Copy for India 1, Lima Charlie Foxtrot. Please stand by. Acknowledge the station of Jason. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Portal 1 Yankee Quebec Delta, is now logged and clear.
For Hotel 1 Alpha Kilo Tango.
Copy Portal 1 Alpha Kilo Tango. Please stand by.
For Golf 1 Alpha November India.
Copy for Golf 1 Alpha November Delta, India. Please stand by. Okay, back to the list. Next station for Golf 1 Lima Delta Echo Kachari ng Angono Rizal. Good evening. Welcome to X1 PRSnet.
Likewise, Karot, at magandang gabi po. Mabuhay po. Ayan, this is for Golf 1 Lima Delta Echo, joining the net, and from the group, DX1 event. 73.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Kachari. Thank you for supporting the X1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Lima Delta Echo is now logged and clear.
For Golf 1 Tango Kilo Golf for the net.
Copy for Golf 1 Tango Kilo Golf. Please stand by. Okay, next station for Golf 1 Mike Victor Lima from the group. Adrian, good evening. Welcome to this one for our group net.
Good evening, all my good boys. This is for first one, Mike Victor Lima, just joining our group net for Italy. 73 mabuhay. Salamat po, mga good boys.
73, keep safe and mabuhay. Adrian, thank you for always supporting our group net. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Mike Victor Lima is now logged and clear.
Shout out kay Dinet Bian.
One more time, yung dalawang stations, medyo scratchy sa akin. Okay, copy for Hotel 1, Bravo Zulu Echo, is that you, Miloy? Yung isa pa, pakibalik. Okay, copy for Hotel 1, Echo Mike Kilo. Kameloy, naka-portable ikaw? Medyo may sige, indulgence with the group. Pulutin ko muna si Portal 1, Bravo Zulu Echo. Kameloy, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PRSnet. Keep safe and mabuhay, Kameloy. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station is now locked and clear. Another indulgence with the group. Portal 1 Echo Mike Kilo, Tito Edmond. Good evening. Welcome to DX1 PRSnet. 73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Edmond. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Portal 1, Echo Mike Kilo, is now logged and clear. Okay, let's go back to the list. Next station, Portal 1, Bravo Delta Golf, Tito Dindo. Good evening. Welcome to the X1 PRSnet. 73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Dindo. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station is now Portal 1, Bravo Delta Golf, is now logged and clear. Next station, DU1, Kilo India Yankee. Kaed, good evening. Welcome to the X1 PRSnet. Keep safe, and mabuhay, Kaed. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1, Kilo India Yankee, is now logged and clear.
For Golf 1, Alpha Yankee Papa, for the net.
Copy, for Golf 1, Alpha Yankee Papa, please stand by.
Dito, pasabay na lang pa-acknowledge lang for Golf 1, Alpha Quebec Victor.
Good evening. Welcome to the X1 PRSnet. Portal 1, Echo Zulu Foxtrot, Kareji. Good evening. Welcome to the X1 PRSnet.
Likewise, Tito Rootboy, and good evening all station, Portal 1, Echo Zulu Foxtrot. Kareji ng Las Piñas, joining and supporting 73 from the group of the X1 EBM. Ingat-ingat po.
73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Kareji. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1, Echo Zulu Foxtrot, is now locked and clear. Next station for India 1, Lima Charlie Foxtrot. Tito Don, good evening. Welcome to the X1 PRSnet.
For Hotel 1 Alpha Kilo Tango, tinawag na.
Good evening, DX1 PRS. For India 1, Lima Charlie Foxtrot, John from DX1 Romeo Alpha Mike. Joining the net, 5x5 dito sa Kaisa Rizal. Maraming salamat, 73.
73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Don. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1, Lima Charlie Foxtrot, is now locked and clear. Likewise, 5x5, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Next station for Hotel 1, Alpha Kilo Tango, Tito Roweno. Good evening. Welcome to the X1 PRSnet.
Ayan, magandang gabi, Tito Rootboy. Pasensya na kung nanawag mo kanina, napalayo. At magandang gabi sa lahat. For Hotel 1 Alpha Kilo Tango, may handle Roweno, location Dasmariñas, Cavite. For the group, DX1 is checking in the traffic, 73, mabuhay at advance. Happy trekking.
Delta Whiskey 1, Romeo X-Ray Papa.
4 Golf 1, Bravo Lima Lima.
Copy, 2 stations for India 1, Mike Yankee Victor, and DW1 Romeo X-Ray Papa. Please stand by. Next station for Golf 1, Alpha November India, Tito Gani. Good evening. Welcome to the X1 PRSnet.
Likewise, Tito Rootboy, good evening. For Golf 1, Alpha November India, Gani po ng GMA Cavite, supporting the net, Northern Traffic, 73, mabuhay.
73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Gani. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1, Alpha November India, is now logged and clear.
4 Golf 1, Bravo Lima Lima.
Next station for Golf 1, Tango Kilo Golf, Tito John. Good evening. Welcome to the X1 PRSnet.
Good evening po, good evening po sa lahat. The X1 PRX, my station for Golf 1, Tango Kilo Golf. Together with for Golf 1, Tango Kilo Foxtrot, Sherilyn, and Harmonic for Hotel 1, X-Ray Charlie Mike Sisara. From the group, the X1 Mike Charlie Golf, from General Descabites, just joining, supporting, leaving it with no traffic, 73, keep safe. Happy New Year po!
73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito John. together with Tita Sherilyn and Ate Sarah. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PSNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your three stations for Golf 1 Tango Kilo Golf, for Golf 1 Tango Kilo Foxtrot, and for Tel 1 X-Ray Charlie Mike are now locked and clear.
Tito, pa-acknowledge lang si Amang for Golf 1 Alpha Quebec Victor.
Okay, acknowledge the station for Golf 1 Alpha Quebec Victor, Tito Amang, the chairman of the board of DX1 Alpha Romeo Tango 73. Keep safe and mabuhay. Your station is now logged and clear. Okay, next station for Golf 1 Alpha Yankee Papa Tito Elmer. Good evening. Welcome to DX1 PSNet. Treasurer of DX1 Alpha Romeo Tango.
Ayan, likewise, good evening, Tito Boy. Good evening po sa lahat. For Golf 1, Alpha Yankee Papa Elmer ng Marikina, supporting the evening net 73, mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Elmer. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PSNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1, Alpha Yankee Papa is now locked and clear. Next station for AJ1, Mike Yankee Victor. Tita Gigi, one of the net control stations of DX1 Eco Romeo. Good evening, welcome to DX1 PSNet. Okay, copy that, Tita Gigi. Acknowledge ko muna yung station. 73, keep safe and mabuhay and Happy New Year. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PSNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for NJ1, Mike Yankee Victor is now locked and clear. Thank you for the relay. Okay, tatawagin ko muna indulgence with the group. For Golf 1, Bravo, Lima. Andiyan ka pa ba, Tito Nato? Good evening, welcome to DX1 PSNet. Pasensya na, medyo mahina ang receive ko sa iyo. Second call for Golf 1, Bravo, Lima, Tito Nato. For Golf 1, Bravo, Lima, Tito Nato. Okay, nawala. Balik na lang si Tito Nato. Okay, next station, Delta Whiskey 1, Romeo X-Ray Papa. Tito Darius, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PSNet.
Magandang gabi, Old Man Root Boy. Magandang gabi sa lahat. DW1RXP, just checking in lang for the evening net. No important traffic. My 73, good evening. Salamat. Bravo 55, tawag ka. Back to you, Old Man Root Boy.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Darius. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PSNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DW1 Romeo X-Ray Papa is now locked and clear. Okay, again, calling the station of 4 Golf 1, Bravo, Lima. Tito Nato, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PSNet. Tito Darius, baka marinig mo siya dyan, paki-relay sa akin. Paki-pull out na rin.
Nawala, Tito Root Boy.
Okay, wala na. Sige. Okay, Sikinet, any more stations who would like to join DX1 PRS evening net? This is for Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Standing by.
For India 1, Bravo November Charlie.
Copy, 2 stations for India 1, Bravo November Charlie, and Delta Yankee 1, Yankee Tango Yankee. Please stand by. Any more stations? Copy, for Golf 1 Charlie Alpha Zulu. Please stand by. Any more? Board calling the station of 4 India 1, Bravo, November, Charlie. Tito Bong, good evening. Welcome to Dex 1 PRS Net. Happy New Year.
Good evening, Root Boy, and to all station, and Happy New Year. And I'm checking into the net, and 73.
73, keep safe and mabuhay. Tito Bong, thank you for always supporting Dex 1 Peresnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1, Bravo, November. Charlie is now logged and clear. Next station, Delta Yankee 1, Yankee Tango, Yankee, Tito Arnel. Good evening, welcome to Dex 1 Peresnet. Tito Arnel, pa-update na lang sa may club na ba tayo? Copy that, Tito Arnel. 73, keep safe and mabuhay, and thank you for always supporting Dex 1 Peresnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Yankee 1, Yankee Tango, Yankee is now locked and clear. Pakibalik po yung isa. Delta Yankee 3, Papa Charlie Whiskey, is that a QSL? Okay, KJR indulgence, pupulutin ko muna si sa Tarlac. Delta Yankee 3, Papa Charlie Whiskey, Tito Adimar, good evening, welcome to Dex 1 Peresnet. You're coming here 2x3 Tito Alimar, medyo scratchy pero narinig, pero medyo in and out ang audio mo sa akin. Anyway, 73, keep safe and mabuhay, Happy New Year, and thank you for always supporting Dex 1 Peresnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Yankee 3, Papa Charlie Whiskey is now logged and clear. And also, paki-support na rin sa netcall ng Dex3 Cabalen. Thank you, 73. Next station, for Golf 1, Charlie Alpha Zulu. KJR, good evening, welcome to Dex 1 Peresnet.
For Golf 1, Charlie November Delta.
For Golf 1 Echo Whiskey Oscar.
For I1, Mike Victor India.
Okay, copy 3 stations, please hold on. For Golf 1, Charlie November Delta, for India 1 Alpha Golf Foxtrot, and for India 1 Mike Victor India. Yung nakasabay po, pakibalik.
For Golf 1 Echo Whiskey Oscar.
For Hotel 1, pakibalik po yung suffix, ang dulo Sierra, pakibalik yung suffix na lang. For Alpha Tango Sierra ba? Ayun, for Hotel 1, Lima, Echo Sierra, Chris, please stand by. Indulgence with the group, Kajuan, unahin ko muna si Chris at medyo mahina siya, baka mawala. Hotel 1, Lima, Echo Sierra, Chris ng Universal. Good evening, welcome to Dex 1 Peresnet. 73, keep safe, and mabuhay ka, Chris. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Portal 1, Lima, Echo, Sierra, is now locked and clear. Okay, back to the list. For Golf 1, Charlie, November, Delta. Kajuan, good evening. Welcome to the X1 PRSnet.
Yes, magandang gabi po dito, Root Boy, and to all stations. For Golf 1, Charlie, November, Delta. John from Dasmariñas, Cavite. No traffic, just supporting the 73.
73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Kajuan. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, for Golf 1, Charlie, November, Delta, is now locked and clear. Next station for India 1, Alpha, Golf, Foxtrot, Tito Jam, good evening, welcome to the X1 PRSnet. Keep safe and mabuhay. Thank you for all supporting the X1 PRSnet. Tito Jam, we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1 Alpha Golf Foxtrot is now locked and clear, and Tito Jam is one of the board member of the X1 Alpha Romeo Tango. Next station for India 1 Mike Victor India. Robert, good evening, and Juliana, the father and daughter station. Welcome to our group net.
Hi, Tito Root Boy.
Hey, good evening, Tito Root Boy. Good evening to all stations. For G1 PUR, for the X1 PRSnet, for I1 Mike Victor India, together with
Juliana, checking in, supporting the group.
Supporting the group's net. No further traffic, 73. Happy New Year po.
73, keep safe and Happy New Year, Juliana. Ayan na, malapit nang magana yan. Mag-net control station ang father and daughter. Thank you for always supporting our group net, and we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1, Mike Victor India, is now locked and clear.
For G1 Alpha Zulu Oscar. For Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo Lima.
Copy, for Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo Lima, Tito Elmer. Please stand by. Yung isa pa po, pakibalik.
For Golf 1 Alpha Zulu Oscar.
May nakakapag-relay ba?
For Golf 1, Alpha Zulu Oscar.
Okay, for Golf 1, Alpha Zulu Oscar, please stand by. Any more?
Romeo Oscar Mike.
Is that DB1 India Whiskey? Please stand by. Any more?
Romeo Oscar Mike.
Romeo Oscar Mike, copy that. Please stand by. Okay, next station for Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo Lima. Tito Elmore, good evening. Welcome to the X1 PRSnet.
Request Tito Root Boy, good evening. For Golf 1, for G1 PUR, for the X1 PRS. This is for Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo Lima. Name is Elmore from Muntinlupa City. Just joining supporting the net. No further traffic, 73.
Tito Elmore, may update tayo sa club? Wala pa?
Negative pa po.
Okay, copy that. 73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Elmore. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1, Foxtrot Bravo Lima, is now locked and clear.
For Hotel 1 Whiskey X-Ray Papa.
Hotel 1 Whiskey X-Ray Papa, please stand by. Next station for Golf 1, Alpha Zulu Oscar, Tito Pemak. Good evening, welcome to the X1 PRSnet.
Yes, Control, good evening po. This is for Golf 1 Alpha Zulu Oscar supporting DX1 PRS from the group of DX1 ERT, transmitting Mindanao Avenue, Quezon City. My handle is PMAC 73. Mabuhay and Happy New Year po sa lahat. Magandang gabi po ulit.
CY155 Papa.
Happy Lulu Pedro, please stand by. Acknowledge the station of 4 Golf 1 Alpha Zulu Oscar Tito Pemak ng Quezon City. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station is now locked and clear. Next station, Romeo Oscar Mike, Tito Romano. Good evening. Welcome to the X1 PRSnet.
Magandang gabi dito, Ruth Boy. Magandang gabi sa ating nakantabay. Nagpapatala lang sa gabi-gabing lambatan. Wala namang ibang mensahe. 73.
73, manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay. Tito Romano, maraming salamat sa palaging pagsuporta sa ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Naway, masumpungan po kayo muli bukas ang inyong impilan na Romeo Oscar Mike ay nakatala na po at libre na. Next station, DB1, India, Whiskey, Ka Elvin. Good evening, welcome to DX1 PRSnet. DB1, India, Whiskey, Ka Elvin. Good evening, welcome to DX1 PRSnet. DB1, India, Whiskey, go ahead. Nawala si Ka Elvin. Okay, next station, Portal 1, Whiskey, X-Ray, Papa, Cairol. Good evening, welcome to DX1 PRSnet.
Likewise, Tito Hot Boy, gandang gabi po sa lahat. Nagpapatawa lang 73 at God bless, Happy New Year.
Likewise, God bless and Happy New Year, Cairol. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Portal 1, Whiskey, X-Ray, Papa is now locked and clear.
D1 India Victor Tango.
4 Golf 1, Bravo Lima Lima.
Copy, Tita Telma, D1 India Victor Tango. Please stand by. Yung nakasabay ni Tita Telma, pakibalik po.
4 Golf 1, Bravo Lima Lima.
One more time, Tito. Medyo scratchy sa akin ang receive ko.
4 Golf 1, Bravo Lima Lima.
In a relay.
4 Golf 1, Bravo, Lima.
Okay, 4 Golf 1, Bravo, Lima. Ito na to, naitala na kita kanina. 3 times na kita na tinawag kanina after kay Tito Darius. Anyway, acknowledge ko na lang yung station mo ay nakatala na at let's go back to the list. Indulgence sa Lolo Pedro na kumastin si Telma. D1 India Victor Tango, the director of Para. Tita Telma, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PRSnet.
Hi, good evening. Si Nelson Bato. Anyway, you are 5-9 here, very strong. I have no traffic supporting the DX1 PRSnet. 73, ingat.
Happy New Year, Tita Telma.
Then, Tita Telma, thank you for always supporting DX1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1 India Victor Tango is now locked and clear. Happy New Year. Next station, Delta Yankee 1, Lima, Papa, Lolo Pedro. Good evening. Welcome to DX1 PRSnet.
Magandang gabi po, Piares. Lolo Pedro, Diawayan, Lima, Papa. Nagsasalis niyang gabi-gabing lambatan. 75 bawas dalawa, may bonus na doble 8. Good evening.
73, manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabay. Lolo Pedro, maraming salamat sa palaging pagsuporta sa ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Naway, masumpungan po kayo muli bukas ang inyong himpilan. Delta Yankee 1, Lima, Papa ay nakatala na po.
4G1 Lima Delta Kilo.
Copy for Golf 1, Lima Delta Kilo, Tito Dan from the group and one of our auditor of the group. Good evening, welcome to our group net.
Yeah, good evening, Rude Boy. Good evening, fellow arms. Supporting our group's net, no traffic besides 73, and fine evening. Keep safe, mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Dan, thank you for always supporting Dex1 or our GroupNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Lima Delta Kilo is now loud and clear. CQNet, any more stations who would like to join Dex1 Perez Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, listening and standing by. I would like to acknowledge the two stations who check in by a group chat for India 1, Bravo, India, and for India 1, Echo, Romeo, Tango from the group, Tito Jojo and Tito Eric. Your two stations are now locked and clear, 73. CQNet, any more stations who would like to join Dex1 Perez Evening Net? This is for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo for Dex1 Perez. Standing by. Kibalik po for I1. Okay, for I1 Alpha Golf Juliet on mobile from the group, Edsel, you're coming here in and out. Anyway, good evening. Welcome to our GroupNet.
Good evening, Road Boy. Good evening. Checking in, supporting the net. Location, Ayala, Makati, 73.
Okay, nawala. Edsel, anyway, nakopya ko. You are in mobiling somewhere in Ayala. 73, keep safe and eyes on the road. Thank you for always supporting our GroupNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1 Alpha Golf Juliet is now locked and clear. Any more station would like to join Dex1 Perez Net? This is for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo for Dex1 Perez. Standing by. CQNet, any more stations who would like to join Dex1 Perez Evening Net? Please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Standing by. CQNet, any more stations who would like to join Dex1 Perez Evening Net? Please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. Standing by.
For G1 Bravo Sierra Yankee for the net.
For Golf 1 Bravo Sierra Yankee, Tito Ariel, good evening. Welcome to Dex1 Perez Net.
Good evening, Road Boy. Good evening to all station. Just checking in. No other traffic. 73, maboy.
73, keep safe and mabuhay. Tito Ariel, thank you for always supporting Dex1 Perez Net. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Bravo Sierra Yankee is now locked and clear. CQNet, any more stations who would like to join Dex1 Perez Evening Net? This is for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Standing by. Siginet, any more station who would like to join the X1 PRS Siginet, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, listening and standing by.
For Golf 1, Echo Delta Uniform.
Okay, for Golf 1 Echo Delta Uniform, Tito June, good evening, welcome to the X1 PRSnet.
Likewise, good evening, Root Boy. Good evening to all station. For Golf 1 Echo Delta Uniform, just joining the X1 PRSnet. 73 AM, mabuhay. Thank you.
For Golf 1 Echo, November Delta.
For Golf 1, Yankee Juliet Charlie.
Copy, to station for Golf 1 Echo November Delta, and for Golf 1 Yankee Juliet Charlie, please stand by. Acknowledge the station of Tito June 73. Keep safe and mabuhay, and thank you for always supporting at X1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Echo Delta Uniform is now locked and clear.
Dito, pa-acknowledge yan, no? Delta Whiskey 1, Victor Oscar Sulu.
Acknowledge the station of Delta Whiskey 1, Victor Oscar Zulu, Jesse ng Calaca, Batangas. Your station is now locked and clear. 73.
Shout out kay Reynaldo Unida.
Next station for Golf 1, Echo November Delta. Tito Del, good evening. Welcome to the X1 PRSnet.
Magandang gabi, Tito Root Boy. Magandang gabi, everyone. I'm supporting the X1 PRS as always with no further traffic. For G1 PUR, for the X1 PRS. For G1 END. 73.
Tito Del, update, may update na tayo sa club? Wala pa?
Wala pa, Tito Root Boy. Blanco mo muna.
Copy that. 73, keep safe and mabuhay. And thank you, Tito Del, for always supporting the X1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1, Echo November Delta is now locked and clear. Next station for Golf 1, Yankee Juliet Charlie, Tito Raymond. Good evening. Welcome to the X1 PRSnet.
Likewise, good evening, Tito Root Boy, and good evening, Tito Nelson. For Golf 1, Yankee Juliet Charlie, checking into the net of Delta X-ray 1 Papa Romeo Sierra with no traffic by 73. God bless and mabuhay. Salamat po.
73, keep safe and mabuhay. God bless, Tito Raymond. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1, Yankee Juliet Charlie is now locked and clear.
Shout out kay G. Santiago.
Last call for any station, be portable, mobile, or base, who wish to join the X1 PRS evening at, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Standing by. Okay, nothing heard. We would like to thank the 65 stations who check in for tonight. But before we close the net call, let me read first the entries on my log sheet. If in case I miss your station, kindly inform me as soon as possible. And then, after I finish reading the last station, the following stations check in for tonight, starting with Portal 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, DB1 Sierra Victor Sierra, DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra, Portal 1 Delta Bravo Sierra. Mike Alpha Romeo, Portal 1 Yankee Mike Oscar, for Golf 1 Tango Lima Delta, Portal 1 Delta Tango Golf Lima Echo Echo, for Golf 1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, DU1 Victor Lima Zulu. DB3 Radio Whiskey, DW1 Victor X-Ray Romeo, DB1 Oscar Mike Victor, DU1 Victor Bravo Yankee. DW1 Sierra Papa, DW1 Zulu Papa Lima, DU1 Whiskey India Echo, for Hotel 1 Yankee Quebec Delta, for Golf 1 Lima Delta Echo. For Golf 1 Mike Victor Lima, for Hotel 1 Bravo Delta Golf, DU1 Kilo India Yankee, for Golf 1 Echo Hotel November. For Hotel 1 Echo Zulu Foxtrot, for Golf 1 November Tango Tango, for India 1 Lima Charlie Foxtrot, for Hotel 1 Alpha Kilo Tango, for Golf 1 Alpha November India. For Golf 1 Tango Kilo Golf, for Golf 1 Tango Kilo Foxtrot, for Hotel 1 X-Ray Charlie Mike, for Hotel 1 Bravo Zulu Echo, for Hotel 1 Echo Mike Kilo. For Golf 1 Alpha Yankee Papa, for India 1 Mike Yankee Victor, DW1 Romeo X-Ray Papa, for Golf 1 Alpha Quebec Victor. For Golf 1 Bravo Lima Lima, for India 1 Bravo November Charlie, Delta Yankee 1 Yankee Tango Yankee, for Golf 1 Charlie Alpha Zulu. Delta Yankee 3 Papa Charlie Whiskey, for Golf 1 Charlie November Delta, for India 1 Alpha Golf Foxtrot, for India 1 Mike Victor India. For Hotel 1 Lima Echo Sierra, for Golf 1 Foxtrot Bravo Lima, for Golf 1 Alpha Zulu Oscar. Romeo Oscar Mike, DB1 India Whiskey, for Hotel 1 Whiskey X-Ray Papa, Delta Yankee 1 Lima Papa, DU1 India Victor Tango. For Golf 1 Lima Delta Kilo, for India 1 Bravo India, for India 1 Echo Romeo Tango. For India 1 Alpha Golf Juliet, for Golf 1 Bravo Sierra Yankee, for Golf 1 Echo Delta Uniform, for Golf 1 Echo November Delta, for Golf 1 Yankee Juliet Charlie, and the EW1 Victor Oscar Zulu. Any more station for late check? This is for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo listening. Okay, nothing heard. We would like to thank everyone for supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, and we hope to catch you again for the next edition of the Evening Net, same time, 8 o'clock, same frequency 145.340 megahertz.
Tito Pac na late.
Frequency 145.340 megahertz, now back to its normal operation. On behalf of X1 PRS, this is for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, together with for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform on FB Live, saying thank you very much and good evening. Mag-ingat tayong lahat palagi. Ilagak ang pag-asa sa biyayang darating. Sa dakilang ama po ang kapurihan.
Ito pahabol ng isa, Mike Bravo.
Okay, copy the station of Mike Bravo. Mike Bravo. Anong prefix ni Mike Bravo?
Delta Whiskey 2, Mike Bravo. Si Tito Michael ng Baguio City.
Copy. Delta Whiskey 2, Mike Bravo. Tito Michael from Baguio City. Your station is now loud and clear. 73.
Thank you very much for supporting DX1PRS Evening Net. And we hope to catch you again tomorrow for the next day edition of the Evening Net. Same time, 8 o'clock. Same frequency, 145.340 MHz. God bless to all, 73.
Shout out sa mga kabats ko dyan, kay Renaldo Yunida, kay G. Santiago, yung po lahat na nanonood, magandang gabi po dyan sa inyong bahay. At salamat sa pagsuporta sa amin, NetGod. Happy New Year. End of life.